Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today we're taking a look at Webnode, a website builder found at webnode.com. Webnode offers a platform for creating various types of online presences, from simple landing pages to more complex e-commerce sites. This versatility makes it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. While it might not offer the same level of granular control as some more advanced builders, its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality make it exceptionally user-friendly, especially for beginners. Webnode's templates provide a solid starting point for your website, covering a broad range of styles and industries. While customization options are available, they might not be as extensive as those offered by competitors. However, the pre-designed templates are generally well-designed and responsive, adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes. One of Webnode's standout features is its multilingual support, allowing you to create websites in multiple languages, which is a significant advantage for reaching a global audience. E-commerce functionality is also integrated, enabling you to set up an online store and manage products, sales, and customer interactions. The platform also provides SEO tools to help improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Although these tools may not be as comprehensive as dedicated SEO software, they offer a useful starting point for optimizing your site. Webnode offers several pricing tiers, including a free option, making it accessible to users with varying budgets. Paid plans unlock additional features and resources, such as increased storage and bandwidth. Customer support is available through various channels, including email and online documentation, to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. While live chat support isn't always available, the existing resources are generally helpful and comprehensive. Ultimately, Webnode presents a balanced option for those seeking a user-friendly website builder with decent features and multilingual capabilities. It may not be the most powerful platform on the market, but its ease of use and affordability make it a compelling choice for many.